Hello friends, welcome all of you my channel Anytime Money Learn to Earn. Myself Chandra, and today we discuss our new strategy. We tested for at least 1 week and getting very good results. So I just want to share with you because we regularly test new different strategies, and these basically strategies on based on our application, means metatrader for Android applications, for mobile applications, because everyone don't have the system, so we not use complex strategy. We only show the result oriented strategies which is actually giving results. So I'm not posting regular videos because we test strategy for 1 week or 15 days, so sometimes our videos are little late. So today's video, and that's we tested in lot of products, not in gold, other products. You can test this, you can use this strategy in any market: forex market, crypto market, stock market, option trading, for binary trading, whatever market you are using, you can use this strategy. But before you start this use the strategy in real accounts, you go in a demo accounts, just test for a 1 month, at least 2 months, and once you get confidence on that, then you go for a money real accounts. If you are still not subscribed our channel, so just subscribe our channel to get the videos related to good profitable strategies, and that's totally result oriented strategies with not only accuracy level. We show the result, because in market a lot of strategies are there, but when we tested on our accounts or testing for a 1 month or 2 month, I am not getting the proper results. So that is the reason we start creating these videos to everyone. And if you want to learn our interesting strategies with 100% daily regular profits, so you can join us on Telegram and get our live streaming videos, live streaming technical analysis charts for 24 hours for gold, as well as our signal services, as well as our technical group where we post our daily setups based on the market behavior, and that's giving more than 80 to 90% accuracy on the all levels. So first we show what we are getting in this strategy and what our result is this. So if you check that, we tested this strategy from real account. This is a real account, that is a cent account, and we started with 30, that is a $34, this one, and $34 we started. And it is not on gold or something, it is all products. Like if you check that, in a gold we tested gold, we picked this strategy, as well as currencies as well. These are the currencies. And what we getting from 15th years for from 14th we are started this strategy to test till at least 1 week. And if you check that, more or less all the in profit, and sometimes we close this in a loss as well, because we know that our strategy giving more than 20 and 90%, 80-90% plus accuracy. So we close the results. If you check that, all the products are there. Now if you check that, what we deposited, that is only $34. What we are get around $107 in a 5 days. Also we withdraw some $40 last week. So at least 300 plus percent ROI with this strategy. And daily profit, you can get daily profits with this strategy. Not a single day you are making losses. So now we get into the our strategy. What is the strategy? Now in a gold, first we go with the gold. Like in a gold, what you need to do, you select F option, you click on a chart, you get the F option, you open F, and you select the indicator window, and you getting moving average oscillators, moving average oscillators. And when you select moving average oscillators you need to put these inputs, like there is a 12, 26, 9, but I don't want this, so we go for a different one. That's 20, 50, 10. That is our parameters. Fast EM is 20, slow EM is 50, and MACD SMA 10, and apply to close and color as per your choice. Now we just remove the one. This is the extra one. Now what is the strategy? The strategy is basically, okay, now we just backtest this strategy. Okay. Now you need to check where is the market, like in 29th there is a one bar is close above zero level. Once it is close above zero level, this green bar, you need to buy, open buy order above the high of this candle. The candle high is around 750, 1754, so you need to buy above the 1754 above. So you can buy here somewhere 98, and your stop loss is always below the previous swing high, that is around 1741 or 1740. Now 54 to 14, it's around 15 pips, 150 pips, so at least 1 is to 1. If it still it is not hitting our stop loss. And also you can do one thing, if you open buy order, you not go for a sell order till the time previous swing is not broken. Means if it is a signal is changed, you not go for sell signal. If it is previous swing is broken, then you only go for a sell trade. And if again it is start up, so you can add one more lot. And if you add 753, and if you check that market is went up to 98 in a single day from 29 to 23, so around more than 50, more than 500 pips. Now we little back somewhere, like if you check that market is go down, and we can enter the low of this candle, and this is the previous swing low. So if you check that red candle is break this low, so we enter at this price at 751, and it at least give 45, at least 50 pips it is giving. And more or less maximum trades are giving more than 50 pips in a trades, in a gold trades. Check all. If you check, here is a one bar, we go for buy above this. So if you enter here around 748, check the high is made 59, around 100 pips. So more or less 90% accuracy in this strategy. And if one stop loss is hitting, just not bothered about that, you just in a second signal you just double the quantity. 100% it will reduce your previous losses, as well as it will give you the profit. That is a goal. If you check in a any other chart, like in a euro USD, what happened in euro USD, like if you check that here is a one candle is closed, correct, one bar is closed above the zero, we go for high 1.06177, and if you check that it is made high of 1.06517, around 50 pips. And one thing, if you want to early exit, so you need to check the bar's length. If it is start reducing, so you exit the trade, or you starting trailing the stop loss. Now again, if you check that there is a sell signal, there is a sell signal, and this candle is close below the previous swing low, so we can enter here 1.06104, and if you check it is made low of around 1.05764, around 40 pips. And if you check this low, this green candle's low is, again we go for buy here. There is a one bar closed, so we go for buy above this level, 1.06 100. So again it went up to 3, at least 298. That is a euro USD. Any product, any script, or if you are working in the stock, or if you know, we go for a little bit uh, as also for index. I think data is closed. 1 second. Now if you check for index, that US 30, there is a one bar close above this. This swing is broken above this level, we can buy. And if you check 32855, and it is went up to around 333391. Again if we go for sell, there is a one bar closed, right? And this swing low is this, so we can enter in this candle, red candle. So if you check from 33,266 to it went up to 32,641. For indices also it is working. If you go for cryptocurrencies, like it is real right now, it is running. For crypto, if you check that there is a one bar close this, and it is close above the previous swing, so we enter in this red candle, that is 1181 for Ethereum. And the next candle went up to 1202 and go up to 1213. Again it is sell. There is a one bar close in this indicator below the zero line. We go for, this is a swing, we always look for below the previous swing low. So this candle we can enter and we get the profit. Again it is go up, one bar is closed, we enter this green candle above this high, and not wait for closing of the candle, you need to just crossing this price. It is crossed around, it is somewhere 1208, and if you check the high went up to 1218. So this is very cool strategy, and it is for any market. You can scalp for a swing trading, for scalp trading, or any trading you can do this, use this strategy. It's a very perfect strategy. And if you have any query related to this strategy, or you have getting difficulties to trade in forex market, in stock market, or any currency market, or crypto market, or option trading, so you just comment on our video. You can subscribe our channel, so getting the most profitable videos with tested results, I can give it to you at totally free. And just share with your friends and family, others who are actually look for better earnings, and join our exclusive training programs, one-to-one live sessions. And you are getting your very good subscription of our live streaming, where 24 into 7 the streaming of particular chart is in your phone, and you can just do the trades based on that. And that is almost 100% return on those signals, because this is there, 2 3 indicators our setup is there. Also you're getting our signal access for forex market. So thank you so much to watch this video. If you not understood anything, please comment us, so you getting us. Also subscribe our telegram channel, and if you want to connect directly with us, so you can join our telegram and at trading winner robot, so we can always respond you. Thank you so much guys to watch our video. Good day, take care, bye bye.